Hi, good morning, guys. So my name is Shivraj Singh Devupa, and I have just started a JavaScript series, which is named as Z JavaScript series. Under this, I will be covering the JavaScript topics and also React and Angular, because I have around 10 years of experience working in JavaScript and the related frameworks, Angular and React JS. In Angular, I'm working since Angular 2, and in React, I'm working from past few years. So guys, so today I thought of making a video just to give you a general walkover for a JavaScript, and this will be a JavaScript in 8 minutes. So let's start with the JavaScript now. So what is JavaScript? So JavaScript is a like lightweight and just in time JIT compiled just in time compiled language. And JavaScript, you can say it is most commonly used as a scripting language for all the web pages, right? And runs in the web browser also, and also on the servers with Node.js. So this is a general overview of JavaScript. And so yeah, so I think we can start. So in line number 8, you can see how you can console log anything, so like this, right? And then let's discuss over variables and data types. So variables in JavaScript are let, const, and var. So var is the old fashioned way that we do in JavaScript, which is function scoped and also globally scoped. But now we use let and const. Both are blocked scope. Let and const, now you will see in the newer code in JavaScript we are using um, this let and const, and these both are blocks code. But with const you can declare, you have to initialize it on the time of declaration. There's a difference in const and let. But in let you can simply declare and you can initialize it later on. But both let and const have block scoped variable, have block scope. Their scope is limited to the block. So so yeah. And we can talk about data types. So mainly there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 types of data type that we have in JavaScript. Firstly, string is like any character, any word that we define. Number, we know 1 2 3 4 5, any number. Boolean, true or false. Null means null value. So we specifically we like we are assigning a null to some variable, means this is assigned a null value, so its value is null. Always remember, JavaScript is a case sensitive language. So null and capital null will be treated as different value. So here we have small null null. So likewise we have undefined. If you are not defining, if you are just you have declared some like with let, I have declared one variable name, right, let name, and we have not initialized it with any value. So undefined is a by default value of all the variables. What is and then we have objects we will cover later on also. And also, if you want to learn this in detail, I am covering special video for all these things, so you can go through them. So object is like when there is an object and you have key value pairs. So key and value. So like we have object in curly braces and inside it name colon Shivraj. So this is name is key and Shivraj is a value. So like this. And symbol are always unique. You can define them with have symbol. They have by default a method which you can call to set a unique value. And big int is also a number, but it is a very big number. So for a very big number that you want, you have to use big int. And so this is how we have covered data types. And you can see let name alias is a string type we have assigned, and const age is a number type, and is cool is a boolean, right? So now we can go through operators and conditions. So below you are seeing arithmetic operators. So these are arithmetic operators which you already know: plus, minus, multiply, divide, percentage, right? And comparison, when you are comparing with, like when we are like suppose there is let name Alice, right? And there is some other variable which is also which also is ls, right, which is also like some other name. The variable name is other name, but it has also value ls, right? So we can compare it with 3 equals to, it is a strict comparison. It means you are comparing the value and also you are comparing the type of it. So that's why in comparison line number 21 we have 3 equals to. If it is only double equals to, then it will only match the value, it will not match the type. So likewise we have, and here is not equals to, and it is smaller than, greater than. So this is how you can compare. Logical is used like we have, you can use it to short circuit also, and also you can use it like in some conditions like if block, right? Inside if I want two condition, when these two conditions are true, then only execute this condition, right? So like here, if age, here it is written age is greater than 18, so I can write age and it and some other age, that is like if both the value, if both the variable contains some value, right? So it means both are true. When both are true, then only execute. There we will write and, or means if any one is true, then you can continue. So in this example line number 24 we have if age equals to 18, then only execute this. Suppose under age, here we have 25, right? So this is true condition, so age is greater than this 18, so it will execute this, else this. If it is not, so like this. So this is how we are using conditions, right? So if else block is used like this. Number 4 is function. So how you can use function? So function let you reuse code, that is very correct, because if anything you find is reusable, if anything you think is a duplicate line everywhere, duplicate, like you have in your code, in your file, if you see any same type of logic is written, right? For that you can simply create a function and you can call it in those methods or in those places, right? You don't have to write it again and again, so you reusable code with the help of functions, right? So here I've created a function. So how you can create function is function and then name, and then you will pass name, and then it will return you hello is a string which will get added to the name, right? And so yeah, so now we have arrow functions. So this is arrow function, new way of styling, a new way of this new modern functions. We have array and loops. So how array, you will define square brackets inside it with comma separated value. So this is how array you have to define. And then we have for loop. So this is a kind of loop. So in fruits you have some iterable value, iterable like array, at this array line number 45. So you have fruits here, right? So this fruit is iterable, it will go first apple 0 index, 1 index, 2 index. Apple is 0 index, banana is 1 index, mango is 2 index. So fruit is like acting as an index. uh, so like this it will print it. So here off, so like this. And minutes, this object. So in objects, we already discussed how objects are created. Inside objects you can also add method also, and you can access them like this. Person is an object which contains a name and age, so person dot name, person dot age, person dot greet, like this you can access. And DOM is the HTML and CSS. DOM, how you can access those. So suppose there is a button, button created. So how you can access that button? To that button you have to give ID, and then you have to access like this, get element by ID button. And then you can add any event listener, you can add any event to it. So here we are adding click event to it. So once click event is added, so and anytime you click from mouse, like click on that button, this event will get fired. So what does event do? This will do alert. So like this. ES6 plus features. So in ES6 we have template literals. So this is how you can, you can this add string, simple way of this printing the age and all these things with dollar operators. And destructuring, like in person is object, right? But if person is object, so it will get assigned like this. Inside name will assign inside age value will be like this. You can destructure it. Spread operators, new fruits and orange. So what it will do, in line number 81, here you have fruits, right? This one fruits. So apple, banana and mango. So these three will get spread means in comma separated value they will come, and orange. So now in new fruits uh, you have this array plus with comma, that will also come, the orange will also come. So this is spread operator. So these all have come in ES6, and classes also is introduced in ES6, classes constructor. And finally is async JavaScript. So what is async JavaScript? Async JavaScript is how you handle asynchronous code in JavaScript. So basically we have set timeout, promises, async and await. So each API that you are calling, it gives you promise, right? So how you can handle it, very latest way to handle it is async and await. So any async function will return you promise, right? Always remember, async function will return you promise. So line number 98, and we can use await keyword only inside async function. So if you want to make any function async, you have to write async keyword before that function name, so it becomes a async function, and then you are allowed to use await. So what await will do, await will wait here in line number 98. It will not go further until unless this returns some promise. Okay, once it returned, then it will proceed further. So yeah, so this is a general overview. If you like my video, please do comment and share, and please write down comments if you want more videos in JavaScript. We'll come up with the best content, and we'll try to explain in the best possible and easiest manner. Thank you everyone.